This project is about automatic rubber tapping machine, which means we are planning to develop a device which can use for tapping without a skilled labor. I'm Ransia Francis. I'm a student of MTech Industrial Automation and Robotics. These two are my juniors, and we are the group for doing this project. I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering, and I will be taking care of the designing, survey, and other marketing related part of this project. They will explain about themselves.
Myself Yogesh Kumar, and I did my BE in electrical engineering, and now I am doing my part in this project as an electrical and controlling part.
Myself Mayur M. Kulkarni. I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering. Now I'm doing MTech in industrial automation and robotics, and I am handling designing and analysis part in this project.
This video is a small demonstration about our project, which will give you some idea about the project. So let's watch it. This is a rubber tree in which we are dealing about the robotics. It's been the 10th year of tapping. Here we have the currently tapping session. Which, this is the depth of cut which we are going to deal with. This depth of cut is different on the tree itself. As we can see here, it's just half of the current depth of cut, and here it was almost 3/4 of the current cut. Basically, this is the shape of This is the shape of tapping. We want to develop a robot which can move in this direction, tap the bark, remove the bark, and getting the latex. In this bark, we have two partitions. Like one is just the bark, and next the lactoferrous vessels, which from where we can extract the latex easily.
These are the three main parts of a rubber tree: the bark, cambium, wood. Cambium is the reason for the growth of rubber tree. And in the cross section of the bark, we can see the half part is skin and the half part is lactiferous vessel. Lactiferous vessel contains the major percentage of latex. This is the conventional way of rubber tapping. This is a spiral way in an angle of 30 degrees for extracting maximum latex. This is the conceptual model of a fully automated rubber plantation. We have a device, tapping devices, which is connected on a rubber tree, and the devices is able to store the latex, and it's able to store the latex in a simple sump. The device is also connected to a chemical reservoir, which will help to extract maximum latex in a less period of time. This device is working on the basis of solar and is mounted with major sensors and other. This is the conceptual model for an automatic rubber tapping machine. We have a device which is able to connect on a rubber tree and which has a gateways moving from bottom to top or top to bottom. This device is equipped with a rotating cutter which will remove the bark from the rubber tree, and we can store the latex in this latex holding cup. This cup is connected to the sump as I explained before.
This is the problem happened due to lack of experience of which has done by unskilled labor. The removal of cadmium layer as well as the touching of bark or wood will cause a problem like bulging of the wood. This is a major problem happening to the rubber plant farmers, and which will determine the lifespan of the rubber tree.
The manual operation is a difficult task, and implementation of an automatic devices is necessary in the field of rubber tapping.